Good morning or afternoon, guys. Hope you guys all are having a wonderful, fantastic day. So today I'm cooking. I will be making some beef with watercress. So usually I make the watercress with pork or beef, hamburger meat. But I don't have hamburger today, so I'm just gonna cut these. This is stew meat. So I'm just cutting them like that, and then I'm gonna add the watercress in it. Watercress is so good, you guys. Okay. So yeah, so we're putting it on medium, using some avocado oil. Okay, so I'm gonna just add some of this, a lot of it. Yes, I'm just putting it on here because I'm waiting for the pan to heat up. Yep, it's my kitchen. You can do whatever way you want in your kitchen, right? Okay, so let's see. Just gonna throw it in here and brown it. Okay, so we're gonna just cook this, season it to your liking, taste. I'm just gonna be putting some salt, pepper, garlic powder, and I'm using Hawaiian salt. It's better than that blue box of salt. Don't use that kind of salt, guys. Don't do it. Okay, I'm just gonna put a little bit, well, 2 pinches. Don't use that blue box, whatever it is called, salt. It's not good for you. Try to get the Himalayan or this kind of rock salt, Hawaiian salt. It's way better for you. Okay, so we're just browning that. I always like the gravy that it creates. We'll see what I'm gonna do with that. Maybe I don't know how gravy and watercress will be, but right now I'm just winging it, just doing whatever. I'm just kind of hungry right now. So I'm gonna go make rice real quick. I'm just gonna make my dad's Spanish rice. It's his style of making his Spanish rice. My mom, oh, and we do have the gandudi rice recipe too, but I just been craving for this Spanish rice that my pops made. There is a video on it, but I'm just gonna do the rice with some tomato sauce. Okay, so right now we're just gonna heat this up. I'm gonna make maybe a cup or 2 of the rice. Regular rice recipe, you just need to put that into there, fry it up, brown it, and then yeah. Okay, so I believe it's kind of hot. Well, not yet, I guess. So I'm gonna do probably 2 cups. So 2 cups. That looks a lot for that little pan, huh? Okay. So we're just gonna brown this. You can season the rice as well. I'm just gonna put like garlic, some salt, and pepper. Back to the meat. It's still browning. Let's just see if it's soft. So at this point, I'm gonna put in the watercress. Watercress in here, and I'm just gonna put a cover over it so it can kind of steam. Cover it. The watercress will create a little bit more water in there, so there'll be a little bit more gravy. And I'm just kind of frying this yet, browning it. 1 cup of tomato sauce, 1 cup of water. Uh-oh, got that all over. Okay, so let's turn this down. You don't need it to be that boiling. So we're just gonna wait for it to cook. Okay, so I'm just turn it low so it can cook without burning. Add some parsley flakes. Okay. Decided to put oyster sauce into my beef. That should give it a great taste and flavor. It so it can cook better, but yeah, it tastes good with the oyster sauce. So this is ready, just waiting for the rice. Okay, so this will be my lunch for today. Hope you all enjoyed this video, and yeah, I've been wanting this all week. Alright guys, you guys take care, God bless. I shall see you all soon. Bye.